Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Audi Q3. So from any screen, actually I'm not sure whether it'll work, we'll just knock the parking aid off, there you go. So from any screen, on the radio there, we'll click on nav, and there we go, these buttons here correspond to the instructions in the corner. So there you see, if you click that one, that's map, and shows you where you're going basically. You've now got destination there and settings in the right. So if we click that again, destination, and here we go, you've got town or postcode there, so we'll click on that. And then you've got this thumb wheel, which I think is a pretty good idea. It's a lot better than moving across a touch screen. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, and the postcode is PR. Now we need to go to numbers. So we go down here. It's not immediately obvious. See there, in the corner, 0 to 9. So it's that button. And then we're on 5, 4. So PR5, 4. Defaulted back to letters, J, S. And that's us, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. It's asking if I want to put a street in. I don't. Centre, I'll just click centre, and then start route guidance.
The route is being calculated.
That's it.